When we see someone who is overweight, most people immediately point to three reasons: lack of self-control, genetics, or environment. But which one is really at the root of obesity? It affects your physical life and also lead to your mental problems such as shame, self-doubt, and that also affects social media life. Is it simply about willpower, or is there a deeper, more complex story behind why the body stores excess fat? Obesity isn't just about eating too much or exercising too little. It's a combination of genetic factors, hormonal changes, lifestyle habits, and even gut health, all interacting in ways that affect metabolism, appetite, and fat storage. Understanding these factors is essential because tackling obesity isn't about blame or willpower. It's about addressing the root causes. By exploring how these elements interact, science-backed choices to manage weight, improve metabolism, and prevent serious health complications such as diabetes, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Today, we'll break down the science of obesity, examine how it develops over time, and reveal practical strategies to take control of your health, improve your quality of life, and achieve sustainable weight management. In this video, we'll break down the science behind obesity, causes of obesity. Let's explore all the key contributors. Genetic factors. Genetics can determine how efficiently your body burns calories and how it stores fat. Some people are born with genes that make them more likely to gain weight even on a normal diet. For example, certain genetic variations affect appetite hormones, fat metabolism, and insulin sensitivity. If obesity runs in your family, you may have to work harder to maintain a healthy weight, but it's still possible with the right lifestyle. Poor dietary habits. Our daily eating choices play one of the biggest roles in driving obesity. Highly processed foods, sugary drinks, and fast food may taste satisfying, but they're nutritional traps. These foods are packed with empty calories, unhealthy trans fats, and refined carbohydrates. Skipping breakfast, eating late at night, or snacking mindlessly in front of a screen confuses your body's natural rhythm. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, increased hunger, and slower metabolism. In short, poor dietary habits don't just change your waistline, they reprogram your metabolism. Choosing real, whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is the first and most powerful step toward reversing this damage. Lack of physical activity. Modern life has quietly turned movement into an option, not a necessity, and that's one of the biggest reasons obesity is on the rise. We spend hours sitting at desks, in cars, and in front of screens, barely realizing how little we actually move. The good news? You don't need a gym membership to reverse this. Regular, moderate exercise like brisk walking, cycling, yoga, or even dancing can make a powerful difference. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes. Your body was made to move, heals, and feels. Hormonal and metabolic imbalance. Obesity isn't just about willpower, it's deeply connected to how our hormones function. These chemical messengers control hunger, fat storage, metabolism, and even energy levels. When they fall out of balance, your body begins to work against you. Insulin is one of the key players. Constant consumption of sugary foods and refined carbs keeps insulin levels high, forcing the body to store more fat, especially around the belly. Leptin, the fullness hormone, is another crucial one. When you overeat processed foods, your body becomes leptin resistant, meaning your brain never gets the signal that you're full, so you keep eating, even when your body doesn't need it. Then comes cortisol, your stress hormone. Chronic stress, lack of sleep, or emotional pressure trigger excess cortisol production, which encourages the body to store fat. Thyroid hormones also play a role. When your thyroid slows down, metabolism drops, energy decreases, and fat burning becomes sluggish. That's why obesity isn't simply about calories. It's about restoring hormonal balance so your body can function the way it's meant to. Psychological and emotional eating. Stress, anxiety, loneliness, and depression. Environmental and social factors. Your environment shapes your health more than you might think. Fast food chains on every corner, vending machines at work, and oversized restaurant portions make unhealthy choices the easy ones. It's often cheaper and faster to grab a burger and fries than to prepare a balanced meal at home. In many urban areas, there are few safe parks or walkable spaces, discouraging physical activity. On top of that, constant exposure to food ads from TV to social media, family dinners, festivals, and celebrations often center around heavy, oily, or sugary foods, medications, and medical conditions. Some prescription drugs can cause weight gain as a side effect, including antidepressants, corticosteroids, antipsychotics, and insulin. Certain medical conditions like PCOS, hypothyroidism, and Cushing's syndrome also promote fat storage and slow metabolism. If weight gain starts suddenly after medication use, always consult your doctor for alternatives. Aging and muscle loss. As we grow older, our metabolism naturally begins to slow down, and one major reason is the gradual loss of muscle mass, a process known as sarcopenia. Muscles are metabolically active, meaning they burn calories even when you're resting. So, when muscle mass declines with age, your body uses less energy, making it easier to gain fat. Combined with a more sedentary lifestyle, this creates a perfect storm for gradual weight gain. The good news is, it's not inevitable. Regular strength training, resistance exercises, and a protein-rich diet can help preserve muscle mass, improve metabolism, and maintain a healthy body composition. Staying active as you age doesn't just prevent obesity. Symptoms of obesity. Obesity isn't just about appearance. It's a medical condition that affects almost every system in the body. Its symptoms can range from visible signs to internal health problems that develop over time. Excess body fat, the most visible and defining symptom of obesity, is the accumulation of excess body fat, especially around the abdomen, hips, thighs, and sometimes the upper arms and neck. This fat buildup goes beyond normal weight gain and becomes a health concern when it starts interfering with movement, comfort, and organ function. You may notice your clothes feeling tighter, difficulty bending or moving freely, shortness of breath. Carrying excess body weight places constant pressure on your lungs and diaphragm, limiting their ability to expand fully, leading to a feeling of breathlessness even during light activity, like walking or climbing stairs. Over time, this strain can reduce lung capacity and oxygen intake, causing fatigue and making exercise more difficult. Fatigue and low energy. Excess body weight forces your body to expend more effort on even simple movements, making daily tasks feel exhausting. Additionally, obesity often disrupts sleep quality conditions like sleep apnea or poor circulation. Reduce oxygen levels during rest, leaving you tired even after a full night's sleep. Joint and back pain. Carrying extra body weight puts continuous pressure on your joints, particularly the knees, hips, ankles, and lower back. Over time, this added stress wears down cartilage, the cushioning tissue between bones, leading to stiffness, swelling, and painful movement. The spine also bears extra strain, contributing to chronic lower back pain and poor posture. Obesity increases the risk of developing osteoarthritis, a degenerative joint disease that can limit mobility and quality of life. Mental and emotional struggles. Obesity doesn't just affect the body, it deeply impacts the mind and emotions. Many individuals struggle with low self-esteem, anxiety, and depression, often due to societal pressure, body image concerns, or negative self-perception. Physical limitations can also lead to social withdrawal and feelings of isolation. In some cases, emotional distress triggers comfort eating, creating a vicious cycle of weight gain and guilt. Addressing mental health through therapy, support groups, and self-compassion is just as important as physical health. Diagnosis of obesity involves more than just looking at body weight. It's about assessing body composition, fat distribution, and overall health risk. Here's how doctors typically evaluate it. Body mass index, BMI. BMI is the most common tool used by healthcare professionals to assess whether a person's weight falls within a healthy range. It provides a general indication of body fat and helps identify if someone is underweight, overweight, or obese. Waist circumference measurement is another key method to assess obesity-related health risks. Fat stored around the abdomen, known as visceral fat, is particularly dangerous because it surrounds vital organs and increases the risk of serious diseases. A waist measurement of more than 40 inches, 102 centimeters, for men, and 35 inches, 88 centimeters. For women, signals a higher risk of heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and metabolic syndrome. Blood tests. Blood tests are an essential part of diagnosing obesity and assessing its impact on overall health. They help identify complications that may not be visible on the outside, but can significantly affect the body's internal systems. Through blood tests, doctors can detect high cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which raise the risk of heart disease. Overall, blood tests provide a deeper understanding of how obesity affects the body. Medical and lifestyle evaluation is a key step in understanding the root causes of obesity. Doctors don't just look at body weight, they assess a person's daily habits, including eating patterns, physical activity, sleep quality, and stress levels. By understanding how lifestyle and medical factors interact, healthcare providers can create personalized treatment plans that target the underlying causes of obesity. Treatment of obesity. Dietary modifications. A healthy, balanced diet is the foundation of effective obesity management. Processed and high-calorie foods should be replaced with nutrient-dense options such as fresh fruits, colorful vegetables, whole grains, and lean sources of protein like fish, legumes, or poultry. Limiting sugary drinks, fried items, and refined carbohydrates is crucial, as these foods tend to spike blood sugar levels. Regular physical activity. Physical activity is one of the most effective and sustainable ways to manage obesity and improve overall health. Exercise not only burns calories, but also enhances metabolic function, supports cardiovascular health, and strengthens muscles. A balanced routine, such as walking, cycling, jogging, or swimming and strength training to build lean muscle. Health experts recommend engaging in at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous activity per week, depending on individual fitness levels. Behavioral and psychological therapy, and sustainable changes that fit your lifestyle. Incorporate balanced nutrition, regular physical activity, quality sleep, proper hydration, and effective stress management into your daily routine. Recognize and celebrate non-scale victories such as increased energy, better mood, improved confidence, and enhanced stamina. These are equally meaningful markers of success. Remember, overcoming obesity is a continuous journey, not a final destination. With the right blend of discipline, support, and self-compassion, long-term health and lasting transformation are truly achievable. Obesity is not just about appearance, It's a serious health condition that affects the entire body and mind. It develops gradually through a combination of unhealthy eating habits, lack of exercise, hormonal imbalances, stress, and poor sleep. Over time, these factors lead to excessive fat accumulation and increase the risk of chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and joint disorders. However, the good news is that obesity can be prevented and managed with dedication and consistency. Adopting a balanced diet, staying physically active, getting enough sleep, and managing stress can bring remarkable improvements in overall health. Even small, steady lifestyle changes like eating whole foods, walking daily, and practicing mindfulness can make a lasting difference. Remember, this is not a quick journey. It's a lifelong commitment to better health and self-care. Believe in your ability to change.